Hello, today I will show you how to add a new interface in uProcess and go over some problems and how to fix them. Start by ensuring your EIB is connected to power with a 12-volt power supply and is connected to your computer with a micro USB cord. Then open uProcess. Begin by right-clicking on Interfaces and selecting New Interface. A dialog box will pop up and you'll be asked to select a COM port. If you're unsure which COM port is correct, click on Open Windows Device Manager and then click on Ports. The correct port will be the one that says Silicon Labs. In this case, it's COM6. Close the Device Manager and then select the correct COM port from the drop-down list. Click OK. If all your connected devices pop up, then congrats, you can now begin using uProcess. If your devices do not show up and there is a red slash through the interfaces graphic, your devices are offline. Click the Toggle Online Offline Mode button at the top of the window. If there's a red slash through just the EIB graphic, then either your EIB is not properly connected to the computer or you have selected the wrong COM port. To remove this interface, right-click on the EIB and select Remove this interface. You can now select a new COM port. If the Silicon Labs port does not show up in the Device Manager, ensure the EIB is connected to the computer and you have installed the necessary EIB drivers. A link to the drivers can be found in the description of this video. If you are still having problems, please see LabSmith's uProcess Communication Troubleshooting Guide. A link to the guide and the user's manual can be found in the description of this video. If you continue to have problems, please contact LabSmith support.